Thank you so much for such a wonderful introduction. And before I come to answering the question from my perspective, because everybody has different perspectives, so nobody's right or wrong or nobody's authority or anything. I want to compliment you on your two things, please. Mindset and skill set. The mindset of humility, the mindset of depth. You remember Rushi uncle? आपने याद दिला दिया मुझे. Thank you so much. And the skill set of public speaking. Accounting में क्या करते हैं आप? I don't know, but you must be very good. But you're a very good speaker. So maybe I will borrow you sometime for talking in other places. Please give him a very big hand. Thank you so much. Music, MetaMind, and आपके सवाल. Three things. I'll just take it up from this, start from there. Music, Rushi uncle, मैं उनको बुलाता हूँ और उन्होंने मुझे, I was 10 years old, 10 साल की उम्र से उन्होंने मुझे ट्रेनिंग देना शुरू किया. मुझे अब भी याद है, I was 10 years old, my sister was 8 years old, and Papa took us to this program. Papa had this habit of being very friendly, you know. तो वो सेमिनार देने वाले जो थे वो ऋषि अंकल थे, and he used to take us along for the seminars. He wanted us to learn from that age. So I was sitting there. He was Rishi uncle was in a kurta pajama, लंबे बाल, rings. तो ये लंबे बाल और rings मैंने उनसे लिए. Because ये आसान है ना कॉपी करना. अंदर का जो है वो और मुश्किल है कॉपी करना. So I still remember. I was looking at all these big corporate guys with their tie and suit, and they were wanting to, I mean, they were listening to him, respecting him. So, and I said, मुझे इनकी तरह बनना है. So I went up to him in the break time and I said, Uncle, I want to be like you. So he said, let's wait for some time. Because seminar के बाद सब excited हो जाते हैं. एक महीने के लिए ठहरो, अभी तक अगर वो जोश रहा तो नमस्कार जी. अगर वो जोश रहा then we will talk. So then he became my guru, he became my mentor for 30 years since then. And I learned music also from him under the same gharana. And I remember Guru Purnima ke din Hari Prasad Chauresa ji, Aladdin Khan sahab, Ali Akbar Khan sahab, Aladdin Khan to is no more now. Okay? And all of them used to come to the house with beautiful time. With music, time stops. And ये जो आप बात कर रहे थे about reaching different levels, this reminded me of Krishna's Bansuri. Because they say that if we reach the stage where we are like the fruit, the music will flow through us. So the people who are great artists, it is not your art, आपकी कला नहीं है, वो उनका दिया हुआ है और आप सिर्फ बांसुरी होगी. But you are very both lucky and hardworking, दोनों, to become the bansuri. Because only with luck is also L-U-C-K, labor, मतलब hard work, labor under channelized knowledge. आप मेहनत तो आप करते हो, बाकी लोग आपको देख के बोलेगा अरे ये तो बहुत लकी है, इसको टैलेंट है, इनको सिंगिंग का टैलेंट है, इनको पोएट्री का टैलेंट है, उनको ये पता नहीं कि इतनी मेहनत आपने की. So, alpha, beta and gamma waves. There are different frequencies in which our brain operates, and I will not go too much into detail there, but I'll talk about positive psychology. एक नया field है, which is one of the most popular courses at Harvard Business School, called positive psychology. In fact, it's very strange because it is the most popular course in Harvard, which is overbooked. And it is not part of the curriculum. मतलब वो नहीं करेंगे तो it doesn't make any difference. वो हार्वर्ड से graduate कर लेंगे. But people are going, Harvard के students, the stress levels are very, very high. Now this is the best of the best people. Why are their stress levels high? competition, mental health issues. And अगर Harvard के लोग who have the money, who have everything, have such high stress, imagine the rest of us. So a positive psychologist called Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi, he has done a lot of work in this area of performance, artistry. जब artist जब गाता है, when a performer performs, whether he's an athlete or an artist, musical artist or any field, when you go to excellence, you reach a state where all the frequencies are at a higher level. So alpha level is when you can do meditation. अभी अगर मैं meditation कर रहा हूँ तो आप alpha level पे चले जाओ. Okay. If you go and then gamma waves release is for happiness. So आज की डेट में they are doing a lot of scientific studies to try to explain happiness. And Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi is a positive psychologist. He has done work on this to simplify it. वो detail में ज़्यादा नहीं जाएंगे उसमें, technical नहीं करेंगे इसको. It is called flow. Flow. Flow is the state of being when you are at a high level of consciousness. The right kind of neurotransmitters, chemicals are flowing. And chemicals भी चार तरह के होते हैं. Sorry मैं थोड़ा technical जा रहा हूँ क्योंकि इनका सवाल का जवाब देना है, उसके बाद मैं मस्ती करूँगा. You have to give yourself a dose of happiness. खुद को dose देना है. Dose is D-O-S-E. D is for dopamine. Dopamine क्या है? हाँ, but which hormone? What does it give you? High energy. Happiness की भी अलग-अलग type की happiness है ना. हमने अपने research में, MetaMind research में found कि there are 9 types of happiness. Nervous जैसे कहते हैं ना. I'm not going into that now. I'm just saying dopamine is for high energy. अरे excited. जब भी हमको Facebook पे like मिलता है, फिर जाते हैं देखते और like हुआ क्या और हुआ क्या. This is dopamine hit. हम जब खड़े होते हैं लोग ताली बजाते हैं, dopamine. So dopamine is for excitement, drive और achievement. हाँ ये मिला, और चाहिए और चाहिए और चाहिए. Dopamine. Dopamine is also for addiction, but वो बाद में बात करेंगे. O, D-O-S-E. O is oxytocin. Oxytocin is another hormone, chemical related to love. अगर किसी ने आपको hug दिया, you feel oxytocin. यहाँ क्यों आते हैं आप लोग? सिर्फ गाने के लिए नहीं आते, एक दूसरे की कंपनी के लिए आते हैं. You like the companionship. The biggest epidemic is happening in America right now, loneliness. We like to connect with people. So O is oxytocin. S is serotonin. Serotonin is used in the maximum number of antidepressants all over the world. More than 80% of people in America are on antidepressants. India में भी बढ़ रहा है. Serotonin का क्या काम है? Baby, calm down, chill, relax. Serotonin relax करता है. So this is S, is for relaxation. E is endorphin. Endorphin is happiness of the thrill variety, joy. खुशी हो रही है, बच्चे को देख के खुशी होती है, या आइसक्रीम खा के खुशी होती है, और एक्सरसाइज करने से endorphins रिलीज होता है. Exercise, sex, all these things create endorphin. I am not recommending anything right now. I am just telling you the technical part about it. तो ये DOSE जो है, ये कहीं और से आती है. I am saying this DOSE dose should come from inside. And how to make this happiness come from inside is what is MetaMind all about. Okay. So this is just to answer the question a little bit. Now I'll start. अभी तक शुरू नहीं किया मैंने. सवाल खत्म हो गया. Okay, so we'll do something little different instead of doing like a lecture. नहीं वो तो होता रहेगा जब तक एसी नहीं है. मुझे अंदर का डोज निकालना पड़ेगा. Don't it's okay. पापा ये आप करते रहोगे तो आप तो माँ हो लेकिन बचपन से करो. जब तक हो तब. Did you do your poem about AI?
Yes.
Did you speak about I?
I said I is Mata. AI is I.
For me, my Mata is my Data.
Last line was given by him.
Mata is my data. She doesn't.
I said data is my data, and he said I is my mata. Yes.
I is my mata, and always खाना खिलाता. जब भी मैं घर से बाहर जाता,
जूता पहन के बाटा.
हाँ जूता पहना बाटा. अरे so sweet, Surinder. Thank you so much. It is your love that has got me over here. I don't have any particular agenda. So anytime anybody wants to say something, please say it. Anybody wants to ask something, please ask. Don't worry about disturbing my train of thought. I don't have one. मैं कुछ प्लान करके नहीं आया. गुरुजी बोला करते थे ऋषि कुमार पांडे that don't use PowerPoint. So we never use in all our training. We have 40 trainers and they're traveling all over the world right now. In fact, I'm looking for more and more people to become trainers. Any of you also would like to join in some way, voluntarily भी अगर करना चाहते हो तो बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं. There is enough need. क्या करना है? खुशी बांटना है. आपको अगर कुछ मालूम है लाइफ के बारे में, which you know because you have lived so long, all you want to do is share that knowledge to people. If it helps a few people, it's good. So please do let me know definitely if there's somebody who's interested. I'll be very happy to. Either you want to do commercially and earn some money, that also we can do, or you want to do essay in your free time at your convenience, that also we can do. We've started something called Happiness Movement. So in this happiness movement, our one job is make happiness go viral. When Papa died, at that time we said COVID was virus. Negativity is viral on social media. So why don't we make happiness go viral? So far I have trained 1 million people in 30 years. Face to face. No internet. But now we decided, मैं सोच रहा था क्या करूँ, रिटायर करके VCF ज्वाइन करूँ या I'm just joking.
Already we see a part.
Ajit, that is true. That is so true. In fact, I would recommend, we were talking to Sundarji also today earlier, I would recommend that you must let new fresh blood come and observe what we are doing in VCF. Let your children, let other people also come and see. Be a part of it in some way. They should be interested. So now the goal is move to 1 billion people. 1 billion हो गया, 1 billion तक जाना. और 1 billion तक नहीं जा पाएंगे unless we have technology. So we've got, I shot one movie, like Bollywood type movie. जहाँ मैं Rolls Royce में आ रहा हूँ, दुबई में we spent a lot of money. फिर वो बंद कर दिया वहाँ पे because it was too much. But we shot it properly and उसको course बनाया है. That course will be out by December. I'm doing a live course starting September 6th online. So every Saturday for 90 minutes I'll be doing this 2 months course with a certification and all that. Basically we are going to use technology. पहली बार कर रहा हूँ. We are going to start using technology, training trainers. We have to train 400 trainers by next year. We set up an office in Dubai. We set up an office in London. So now I've taken a mission to make happiness go viral. And I'm requesting for your help also for that. So let us talk a little bit about happiness. Let's do some activities, please. Is that okay? Very quickly. What is happiness?
Self-satisfaction.
जी. Happiness कहाँ से आता है? और happiness कहाँ से जाता है? जी जी. नहीं unhappiness कहाँ से आता है? उधर से आता है? हाँ, sometimes दूसरे लोगों से. See, there's a saying. There are some people, when they come, they make you happy. There are some people, when they go, they make you happy. Right?
Right.
So, let us examine very quickly 7 or maybe few. There are total 7. I'll give you maybe 2, 3 right now. Causes of unhappiness, and we'll keep it very interactive. Okay. Let's take one cause. One cause is इसी से शुरू करते हैं. People independence. It is researched 80% of happiness comes from relationships. Similarly, 80% of unhappiness also comes from relationships. वही लोग हैं जो तकलीफ भी देते हैं. So I am wondering how much did to go and whether to ask you to participate or leave you comfortable. Relationships cause trouble, yes or no? Those of you who think relationships are a cause of unhappiness, sometimes raise your hand, please, for you. Sometimes. Okay, relationship cause.
Depends
Depends on, sir.
our mind.
Depends on our mind. Regardless of the
हम
person.
सामने वाले को कैसा समझते हैं उसके ऊपर डिपेंड रहता है.
क्या
Wow.
circumstances.
Play very important role.
Circumstances also play very important role in their behavior towards you. मतलब आप उनके लिए मतलब उनको क्षमा कर रहे हैं और उनके लिए आप रीजन बना रहे हैं.
वही डिपेंड होता है ना.
हाँ?
डिपेंड होता है उनके अपने पे. वो
I got your point.
कैसा
I
है.
got your point. Your point is that वो जो भी करे, it depends on how you take it. ये आप कह रहे हैं ना? हाँ? I think what you're saying is that it depends on they might not be meaning to give you unhappiness, but circumstances have made them like that. Huh? That's what you're saying. Okay. So this is one thing, people dependence. Huh? That unhappiness comes from other people. Okay. See if you can find your cause of unhappiness. I'll give you all the causes. आपका मेन कौन सा है वो आप सोचिए. बता रहे तो बता दीजिए, नहीं बता रहे तो मत बताइए, पर सोचिए. Okay. Are people giving you trouble? This is the first question. And is your unhappiness coming from there? You need not be always unhappy, but sometimes your current source of unhappiness could be people. Second one is personalization. Personalization का मतलब है हम किसी चीज को personally ले रहे हैं. See, these things are very difficult for people to even admit. वो खुद को नहीं बोलते हैं कि हम ये कर रहे हैं. So these are little sensitive topics. There are some people when something goes wrong, they say, "अरे why me? फिर मेरे साथ क्यों हुआ? इतना कुछ हुआ है, अभी ये भी होना था." What is that personalization? Or if somebody says something, I feel insulted. मेरा ये position है और ये position होने के बाद भी ऐसे बात करो. मेरी age देखिए. This is somewhere feeling this is personalization. Okay? Can you give an example of personalization, or how many of you know somebody who does this personalization, or if you do it yourself? सब मिला दिया मैंने तो आप हाथ अगर उठाओगे किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा कि आपका प्रॉब्लम है. हाँ? आप बोल सकते हो कि मैंने हाथ इसलिए उठाया क्योंकि मुझे पता है वो करता है ऐसा. Okay? What to say something sir about what? Any example? Personalization का कोई example? Personalization.
It happens because whatever we have in our mind,
जी.
what we are obsessed with, and whoever the person next is saying that affects us positively or negatively.
Whatever we have in our mind, if that person goes against that
Either it goes against,
or goes for.
and even if it goes far, I mean, it has that impact of.
Right.
They will be positive also.
जी. So this is personalization.
Unexpected reaction from.
हाँ जी.
Unexpected reaction from.
आपको बुला रहे सामने बैठने के लिए ताकि आप इसमें आ जाए.
Once
आपको ये बुला रहे. हाँ जी. सर बुला रहे. हाँ जी.
Unexpected.
अच्छा इनको बुला रहे. सॉरी आपने बुला.
Unexpected.
अब ये पर्सनली मत लीजिए आप. तो पर्सनलाइजेशन हो रहा है. सॉरी हाँ जी.
It's okay.
आपको बार-बार इंटरप्ट किया. पर्सनली तो नहीं हुआ ना. You don't mind.
No.
You didn't take it personally.
No, not personally.
Very good. Please go ahead.
Yeah, unexpected reaction from the person.
Unexpected reaction in person is not what I'm talking about. Here I'm talking about where you feel hurt. इसने मुझे क्यों नहीं याद किया? इसने मुझे क्यों यहाँ पे रिस्पेक्ट नहीं किया?
Discrimination.
Feeling hurt, that feeling like a victim, feeling unfair. सबके साथ क्या मेरे साथ नहीं किया? क्यों? This is a personalization. Or suppose somebody comes and says, बहुत मोटे लोग यहाँ पे ना, कोई आके कमेंट कर देता है. बट जो कुछ लोग होंगे, अरे मेरे बारे में बोला, मतलब पर्सनली लिया. That is personalization. शायद बोला नहीं होगा. So if you take things, it's very simple. See, I'll give you an example. Let's say you are in a family where everybody is getting ready to go out in the evening for dinner somewhere. TV is on, सब लोग तैयार हो रहे हैं, निकलना है हमें जल्दी. TV is on and TV पे क्या आ रहा है? न्यूज़ आ रहा है. Just this is an example. There's news happening. News is generally good news or bad news? Generally. Which one sells more?
जनरली बैड रहते हैं हाँ
गुड न्यूज बहुत अच्छा इंसान था कौन देखेगा हाँ? उसने उसको मारा हो देखो राइट सो न्यूज इज कमिंग लेट्स से बिल्डिंग इज कोलैप्स्ड एग्जांपल now tell me honestly if you see this news and you're getting ready to go out what will you do you will say क्या है ये बड़ी बिल्डर्स आज के लोग ऐसे ही होते हैं हमेशा ही होता कौन सा यार ये लोग फिर बंद कर देंगे वापस you will leave right you will go for your
डिनर
dinner. Huh? 200. Okay? Now, let me give you another scenario. And this other scenario, please don't take it personally. This is just a scenario. Suppose somebody was close to you was in that building. और ये जो हुआ था अब भी 2-3 घंटे पहले हुआ था और लाइव न्यूज आ रहा है क्या करोगे आप somebody very close to you and it's not far away huh? you will immediately stop everything you will go there what is the difference between these two scenarios अपना association personalization huh? जितना कुछ भी हो if anything is close to you it will hurt if it is far away it doesn't hurt लोग बोलते हैं ना अरे ये हुआ था वो जब हुआ था बहुत दर्द हुआ था अभी 10 साल बीत गए तो उतना दर्द नहीं होता why distance and this brings me to my first point I'm giving only 3 points today ये सब आप भूल सकते हो you can forget everything else I'm giving only 3 points today. I'm saying there are causes for unhappiness. Many causes are there. But the solution is only 3 things. Okay? And these 3 things are activating your meta-conscious mind, your chitta. Operating from your consciousness and not from the same old mind. Same old mind में negativity है, beliefs है, बचपन से कितना कुछ हुआ है लाइफ में. अभी सबको बैठ के तो निकालेंगे नहीं. क्या करेंगे थेरेपी के लिए जाएंगे या क्या करेंगे छोड़ो तो सब आई गिव यू अ शॉर्टकट फास्टर टेक्निक एक्टिवेट योर न्यू माइंड हम सबके पास एक नया माइंड है इट इज कॉल्ड द मेटा माइंड और द मेटा कॉन्शियस माइंड एंड मेटा कॉन्शियस माइंड इज द डॉक्टर माइंड आवर माइंड इज नॉट वेल बिकॉज वी हैव नॉट टेकन केयर ऑफ इट माइंड हैज व्हाट कॉन्शियस माइंड सबकॉन्शियस माइंड ये सुना है माइंड के बारे में कॉन्शियस माइंड एंड सबकॉन्शियस माइंड Conscious mind where they have latest found in a new field called behavioral economics that there are cognitive glitches. मतलब there are viruses in the software of the mind. Mind जैसा है उसमें तकलीफ problem है. Everybody's mind. It's not any one particular person's mind. There are many problems. For example, there are many biases. Those of you who are interested, Google से पूछ लीजिए और Google को मान लीजिए. Okay. माइंड में बहुत सारे तकलीफें हैं इसका स्टडी हुआ है these are called biases example of what bias I will give you I'll put everything together वो जो पहले causes के बारे में ये बारे you don't have to remember anything you have to remember only 3 things and the 3 things you have to remember I'm telling you right now सत्यम शिवम सुंदर ये आसान है तो ये पूरा होने के बाद अगर आप ये 3 चीजें याद रखोगे that's enough okay? what are these 3 things I will explain आप कोई डिसीजन अगर लेते हो वो डिसीजन लेने के बाद आफ्टर यू टेकन दैट डिसीजन इफ समबडी कम्स एंड टेल्स यू दिस वाज रॉन्ग विल यू एक्सेप्ट इट यूजुअली नॉट दिस इज कॉल्ड कंफर्मेशन ओए आपका मोबाइल चल रहा बंद करो थैंक यू तो पोलाइटली बोलो प्रोग्राम चल रहा है एक कौन है अंदर कौन है बोलो ना उसको बंद करेंगे मैं तो मैं बोल देता हूँ if somebody spends a lot of money and buys a new car उसके खरीदने के बाद अगर आप बोलोगे ये क्या बकवास किया यार गलत किया वो नॉट एट ऑल इट्स अ वेरी गुड कार हाँ क्योंकि उसने खर्च किया है for that. If any young boy has a girl he falls in love with, if you tell him she's not good for you think he will agree with you?
No.
Why? Confirmation bias. So there are many biases like this we have in our mind. The conscious mind is messed up. Subconscious mind is also messed up. Why? Because subconscious mind there are many beliefs that we have which have been put into us without our permission. And many of those beliefs are not empowering us. They're not good. For example, Bachpan said there is a research done that in early childhood, a well-meaning parent tells their child 1,48,000 times something negative. Without meaning it. In their idiot, पढ़ते नहीं हो तुम, निकम्मे, lazy, देखो तुम्हारा दोस्त जो है, how well he studied, you should be like your uncle, ना? Or so there will be all of these things told to the child. So all of us have gone through that, whether we know it or not. Huh? You are so short, you are so soft, you are so this, you are so that. Huh? And then when the child grows up, they say, be confident. Yeah. Yeah. So we have a lot of garbage. Okay? And then we find ways of cleaning it up. My point is, I'm saying don't clean it. Let it be. So you have conscious mind, you have subconscious mind. There is a new mind called meta mind, which is like the doctor mind. अगर कोई बीमार है तो डॉक्टर चाहिए ना. The best thing is you don't need a doctor from outside. You have the doctor inside. But the way to activate your meta mind, दिमाग की बत्ती जलाने के लिए, there are three things you need to do. Satyam, Shivam, Sundar. I'll come to that. Okay. I gave you one example was personalization. Another example I gave you was
Confirmation.
huh?
Confirmation.
Confirmation. I gave you for causes of unhappiness. Causes of unhappiness. One is personalization. I told you. Second क्या बोला था? हम personally लेते हैं चीजों को. Second thing I told you is that
Distance.
जी
Distance.
हाँ distance जितना रखेंगे उतना अच्छा होगा.
Timing.
जी बिल्कुल. So these are all the different things that are there. So there are many things like that. There is also something called perpetuation. Perpetuation मतलब एक चीज हुआ था, but we keep it in our mind for a long time. We don't let it go. और उसने मेरे साथ वो किया था, अरे कब किया था? पता नहीं जब भी किया था लेकिन अभी तक मेरे mind में fresh. Perpetuation. We don't let go. Then there is another one. We are pre-programmed for negativity. बचपन से हमारे अंदर है, मैं तो ऐसा ही हूँ, मैं तो गुस्सा करता हूँ, मैं तो हर्ट होता हूँ, मैं तो सेंसिटिव हूँ, and we hide behind that. क्योंकि वो जो हुआ था उसकी वजह से मैं ऐसा हूँ. So all these are the reasons. The way to come out of it is three things. Let's talk about these three things very quickly. And these three things will lead to alignment. Alignment. So let's do one thing, please. Put your hands together. Put your hands together. Huh? Are you come, please? You will help me. No, I can. Can you help, please? As a helpful volunteer. Helpful volunteer. माँ ने कहा. So you hold this, please. You hold it near my mouth. आपके यहाँ और मैं थोड़ा move कर दूँ तो आप भी थोड़ा move कीजिए. Thank you so much. Put your hands together, please. Repeat after me. I feel what I feel. I think what I think. I say what I say. I do what I do. I want what I want. Saregama. Wanting, feeling, thinking, saying, doing, knowing. Being. याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. मैं सिर्फ कह रहा हूँ कि जैसे माइंड जो है, दिस इज न्यू मॉडल ऑफ द माइंड वेयर एवरीबॉडी वांट्स समथिंग. सो कहते हैं ना, बुद्धा ने कहा इच्छा छोड़ दो. इच्छा ही छोड़ दोगे तो प्रॉब्लम ही खत्म हो जाएगा. पर इच्छा छोड़ा नहीं जाता. वी ऑलवेज वांट समथिंग. फीलिंग्स, जस्ट ब्लॉक योर फीलिंग्स. बी लॉजिकल. नहीं होता, फीलिंग निकलता है कहीं ना कहीं से. थिंकिंग, डोंट थिंक, जस्ट फील, जस्ट बी इन द मोमेंट. फिर आगे का कौन संभालेगा? Saying, मतलब हर इंसान ये चीजें करता है. The mind wants something, feels something, thinks something, says something, does something, and knows something. The problem is this is messed up. Yeah, you want to say something? Huh? Wanting, feeling, thinking, saying, doing. Huh? ये knowing को बाद में रखेंगे. Knowing, ये knowing. So the problem is, if we feel angry, we think we should not be angry. So what do we say? Sorry, no? मतलब एंगर निकलता नहीं है वो टाइम पे, वो दब जाता है, अगेन कम्स आउट द रॉन्ग टाइम. You understand what I'm saying? I want, okay, how many of you, thank you so much, but जाइए मत.
हाँ मैं इधर ही हूँ.
हाँ, thank you.
मैं आपका हाथ देख रही हूँ.
अच्छा क्या ये ना, ये मैंने पता है क्यों लगाया है, बिकॉज जो लोग समझते नहीं ना मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, एटलीस्ट ये तो देखते रहते हैं, कुछ तो एंटरटेनमेंट होता है. हाँ ये भी है, हाँ हाँ. या यू नो पामिस्ट्री ऑल्सो, ओह वेरी गुड. क्या है क्या है? अच्छा चल रहा ठीक. ओ थैंक यू, ये कंफर्मेशन मिल गया, कंफर्मेशन बायस. थैंक यू वेरी मच. मेरा ये प्रॉब्लम है, जब एस्ट्रोलॉजर कुछ बोलता है ना मुझे, अगर अच्छा लगता है तो बोलता हूँ वेरी गुड, बुरा लगता है दूसरा चाहिए. ओके सो आई टेक ओनली व्हाट इज गुड. सो हाँ बोलिए बोलिए. हाँ प्लीज प्लीज आप बैठ जाइए ना. हाँ थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू. सी यू ऑल नो व्हाट टू डू. डोंट ट्रबल everybody, and I could do even without this, but let it be. It's good,
She can do.
full of action. Huh?
Very young.
Very young. You're the youngest here.
Younger than all of us.
Oh, lovely, lovely. That's why they make you work so much, huh?
Very efficient.
Okay. That's why I'm waiting. I'll join UCF later. I won't join when I'm very young. मुझसे ही सब काम करेंगे आप लोग. I want to make lots of money. How many of you want to make lots of money? More than what you have. Achha, how many of you want to make little more money than what you have? Little more money than what you have. Okay. How many of you don't want to work very hard for that money? You already have a lot of money, huh? Or you don't? How many of you want to be very active and how many of you want to eat a lot of, how many of you have a tendency to eat a lot of unhealthy food? Sometimes. Unhealthy food. How many of you, sometimes, how many of you don't exercise as much as you should? Okay. How many of you know that you should exercise? अब समझे, मैं बोल रहा हूँ खुद में ही डिसोनेंस है, कुछ सीखने की जरूरत नहीं है. I know that I should exercise, but what do? I don't exercise. What do I feel? I feel lazy. What do I think? I should exercise. What do I say? एक दिन मैं करूँगा. मतलब all mixed up. Are you with me? Huh? There was I don't know if what all I'm allowed to say over here. In France, when I went, there was one lady. I asked, how many of you have integrity? Integrity, honesty. तो सबने हाथ उधर किया. मैंने कहा, what is integrity to you? So there was a lady, French lady. She said, integrity means that I will never divorce my husband. I said, मतलब? She said, no, anything else is okay, but divorce no. That is integrity for me. मतलब हम खुद अपना ही reasons बनाते हैं कुछ चीजों के लिए, अपने आप को खुश रखने के लिए. Now one more time, please. I'll come back here. Thank you so much. You can study. Yeah. Just.
मैं उधर खड़ा होना पड़ेगा.
दोबारा और एक बार प्लीज. वन मोर टाइम. आई फील. मामा क्या कर रहे
ये
हो?
माइक सामने.
अच्छा थोड़ा इस पर टाइम ये माइक पे है. ये नहीं आप यही रहेंगे. आप ये हाथ देखते. I feel what I think. I think what I say. I say what I do. I do what I want. I do what I feel. I think whatever I feel, I think. I think before I say. कितने लोग करते हैं? I think before I say. बोलने के बाद बोलते हैं अरे मैंने तो I meant that. अरे why did you say that? I think before I say. I always do what I say. Always do what I say. I feel what I say what I think what I do what I say what I feel. You can't do what I do, but you understand what I say? Huh? What am I saying? What am I saying? कि अंदर बाहर if we are one person, then we are relaxed, we are happy. Alignment is yoga. Yoga is mind, body, spirit alignment. दो लोगों के बीच में अगर alignment है तो conflict नहीं है. Alignment है तो harmony है. Harmony is happiness. खुद के साथ अगर झगड़ा नहीं है, दिल ये कहता है, दिमाग कुछ और कहता है, then we are happy. So as long as you are aligned, you are happy. If there is any kind of fight within you or fight outside, then you are not happy. How to get aligned? Activate the meta mind. How do you activate the meta mind? 3 things. Satyam, Shivam, Sundaram. Okay? With that. Thank you very much. Give her a big hand, please. Thank you. Satyam is be on the part of Satya. So this is bhav that we need to develop called Drishta Bhav. Because to be on the part of Satya, you need to be able to see what is Satya. For that you need to have distance. जो हम बात करते हैं, Drishta Bhav, Sakshi Bhav. If you are too involved in everything, if you are too attached, you will get shaken up. Then personalization होगा, pain होगा, perpetuation होगा, वो सब होगा. The little detached you are, the more you will be able to handle the situation better. Okay? Most of us, what do? We fool ourselves. Okay? There was this, again I'm risking something. There was an 85-year-old man who married a 25-year-old girl. ये जोक है, ज़्यादा सीरियसली मत लीजिए. 85-year-old man married a 25-year-old girl. Girl was very beautiful, man was very rich. But the man was very happy, saying that she married me because she loves me. So the man is so happy that nobody wants to tell him anything. Sometimes if you are happy, you leave them alone. No? Why you want to break their bubble? At least kuch to hai. 1 year later, this girl is pregnant. And this man goes to his doctor, family doctor, अभी इतने साल से. Doctor साहब, congratulate me. ये अमेरिका में था तो डॉक्टर साहब ने बोला, I'm just translating for you. His friend, he said, what happened? Huh? He said, I am going to be a father. So doctor said, listen, my friend, let me tell you a story. This is a story within a story. I'll tell you. So he said, what is the story? He said, see, you like to go hunting. America में था तो you hunting जाता था. He said, yes, I like to go. So imagine you go and you take your rifle and you go into the forest, into the hills, and you see a bear, bhalu. There they hunt bears. So and you take your, but instead of taking your rifle, because you're so old you forget, you take the umbrella by mistake. But you see the bear and you point the umbrella at the bear and you shoot and the bear dies. So that man says, but that's not possible. Somebody else must have shot the bear. He said, exactly. All I'm saying is that let us not fool ourselves to be happy. Many of us say, for example, people dependence में, अगर लड़का छोड़ के चला जाता है, और लड़का लड़की हमारा कोई भी, they don't take care of us well, or if the wife is behaving in a way that you don't like, you say, नहीं, it's not her fault, उसका circumstances है. Poor लड़का, he has to listen to his wife. Why spoil his marriage? So that way he better he leaves me and goes. Let it be. What are you doing? You're making up stories and excuses for other people who are doing wrong things to you. Are you with me? If that story makes you feel good, use that story, no problem. But in your own awareness, you should know कि गलत कर रहा है. I'm saying, don't fool other people, no problem. Don't fool yourself. Because if you fool yourself, somewhere or the other you will know it and it will come out in the form of illness. आपके अंदर अगर कुछ है, especially congratulations, आपकी उम्र ऐसी है और हमारा देश ऐसा है कि आप कुछ भी बोल दोगे ना, लोग आपको माफ कर देंगे थोड़ी देर बाद. तो बोल दो ना. अगर अंदर कुछ है तो बोल दो, निकाल दो, सच बोलो. You will feel lighter. अगर वो नाराज हो गया तो कितनी देर नाराज रहेगा? बात में लेता रहेगा. आप निकाल दो अपने अंदर दबा के मत रखो लोग चीजों को, प्लीज. It will affect you. Of course, if you have the right timing of telling, if you have the right way of telling, you can minimize the problems. But it is more healthy for you to face the truth and to say the truth. Some people have been fooling themselves all their lives that they absolutely cannot see the truth. Okay? So this is point number 1. Okay? Point number 2, इसको मैं कहता हूँ सत्यम. Point number 2, शिवम. शिवम मतलब please own your power. Stop blaming. 3 things which you should stop doing. कुछ चाहिए? How are you? How are you? उससे कुछ करवाना? आवाज waiting for you. आवाज जी. हाँ. Yeah, I can tell you. He gave you? You change. Change comes from within. Satyam, Shivam. Shivam means please own your power, means happiness is a choice. Most of us, what we do is we blame. There was this guy, he was sitting at a bar and he was drinking. Drinking के तरफ में ऐसे चेयर ऐसे मुंह ऐसे यहाँ क्यों जाता है? I don't understand. All the time, whenever I say drinking joke, I go there. There was this man who was sitting at a bar and he was drinking, and he was complaining to his friend, and he said, I have a terrible life, I have a terrible wife, I have a terrible job, I have terrible everything, my children don't respect me, this bad. So everything is bad. I have to walk 10 kilometers to work and 10 kilometers back, salary is so bad. And you know what is worse? When I go there, Sridharji, after it finishes, I'll continue. Change दे दिया उसको? आवाजी? आवाजी? Change दे दिया उसको? Okay. So my shoes are 2 sizes too small. So when I walk and I come back, my feet are also hurting. So friend अभी इतना सुन के बोला कि listen, all these other things you cannot control. I understand circumstances are there, but shoes, वो तो बदल. Shoes is small, buy better shoes. So you are not my friend. He said, why? You don't understand that after my whole life is so bad, when I come back home and take off my shoes, the happiness that I get, that is the only happiness I have. And वो happiness भी छीनना चाहते हो तुम मुझसे. So some people are very happy in their misery. छोड़ दो उनको. ज़्यादा मसीहा और ट्रेनर गुरु बनने की कोशिश मत करो. क्या मुझे अपने हाल पे छोड़ दो? क्या कुछ हाँ? मेरे हाल पे छोड़ दो. So what I'm saying is take ownership. शिवम का मतलब है दूसरों के लिए शिवम मत बनो, खुद के लिए बनो, आत्मनिर्भर हो. See, as we get older and older, many of our faculties become little less, no? In terms of energy level, is not the same as that. So I'm saying as much as possible, keep yourself as self-dependent as possible, if possible, or at least knowing. तो आपके कंट्रोल में जो है वो रखो आपके कंट्रोल में. Normally people say नहीं सब छोड़ दो भगवान पे छोड़ दो. मैं कह रहा हूँ नहीं. Please take charge as much as possible. Structure your life in such a way that as much as possible is in your control. थोड़ा भी तो बोलो आपके कंट्रोल में होना चाहिए. आपका choice है. And see the reality कि ये सही है मेरे लाइफ के लिए, ये गलत है मेरे लाइफ के लिए. गलत इंसान को अगर अपने लाइफ में रखोगे और वो गलती करता जाएगा और आप सहते जाओगे और बोलोगे I am very good at accepting. No, what is the point suffering? So all I am sharing is that Satyam is what? See the truth. Shivam is what? Out of this truth, accept something and then change something which you can change. Don't blame and don't cling to the misery. And Sundaram is what? It is, so this is Sakshi Bhav, this is Kartavya Bhav. माँ से मैं कहता हूँ माँ आप क्यों करते हो? अभी तक cook is there, you can let her wait. नहीं, मैं माँ हूँ, मैं करूँगी. Okay? So that's a kartavya. She doesn't care if somebody eats or doesn't eat, she will still cook. Yeah. So expectations are clear. She is doing for her happiness. Kartavya bhav, and the last one is Sundaram. Sundaram is what? I would say Prem bhav. Okay, or Mitra bhav. Prem bahut zyada hai. Mitra bhav. That is, be nice. Be nice to yourself, be nice to others. Just for the sake of nibhaving your kartavya. If you have a kartavya, for example, in DCF, if you have a kartavya to be a singer, to be a poet, or to be a position holder, जो आपका कमेटी है, okay, ये कर्तव्य करते समय आप प्रेम मत भूलो. Bend the rules for the mitra bhav, no problem. Okay? अभी इतना मित्र मत बनो कि कर्तव्य ना हो. और कब क्या होना है वो आप सच्चाई देखो, कौन है, किसके लिए कर रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो. This is your satya bhav, your drishta bhav. So see the truth, change whatever you want to change, control what you can, and do whatever you do with love. Avoid 3 C's: complaining, criticizing, comparing. And catch yourself every day. कि मैं कर रहा हूँ कि नहीं, मैंने कब किया. Change it. I give you one challenge, please, as an activity. The challenge is to go on a diet. I'm giving you all one diet, please. ये वाला diet नहीं, ये तो मैं भी नहीं करता हूँ. Positive mental attitude diet. Let us try and be leaders of our own mind. ये सब ज्ञान तो हमारे पास है, but can we do it? Let's be leaders of our own mind and let us for 7 days not allow even a single negative thought to enter our mind. Any negative, whether it is about ourselves or other people. अरे वो बेवकूफ हमेशा ऐसे करता है. No negative thought go away. कोई भी negative thought अगर आएगा, आप अपने negative thought को बोलिए. आपका एक thought है ना? Tell your negative thought. Listen, I am on a diet. Please come back after 7 days. After 7 days, you think whatever you want, no problem. But this is the challenge. 7 days, no negative thought about yourself or anybody else. मैं तो ऐसे मजाक में बोलता हूँ इसको बेवकूफ. नहीं, मजाक में भी नहीं. No मजाक, no reason. Nothing negative for 7 days. How many of you are willing to take up this challenge and do this? 7 days. And yeah, please take my number. Mommy will give you, or Sundar will give you, and please text me personally, okay, if you are able to do it. And I'll give you one more thing. Suppose it comes automatically. Interest some negative आता है. अरे यार मैं तो कर. Even about yourself. मैं अभी बूढ़ा हो रहा हूँ, मैं बूढ़ी हो रही हूँ, मैं चल नहीं सकती. मत बोलो अपने बारे में. नहीं, मेरा माइंड जो है ना हमेशा भूल जाता है क्योंकि अभी बुढ़ी हो गई हूँ, क्या करूँ. मत बोलो क्योंकि आप अपने माइंड को इंस्ट्रक्शन दे रहे हो. आप खुद प्रोग्राम करो. You're programming your mind. Is that true or not? Don't do this, please. Say only positive things to yourself, about yourself or about others. You'll say, but मेरी बीवी ऐसी है, मैं कैसे पॉजिटिव बोलूँ उसके बारे में. नहीं यार, जैसे भी है, एक हफ्ते के लिए झूठ बोलो ना.
Sir, even thinking also? Talking or thinking also?
Thinking, sir, thinking main. Thinking, talking, feeling.
Kartavya and sacrifice are the same or two different?
It is the same, but I don't like sacrifice because उसमें लगता है कि मैं नाखुश हूँ.
Right.
कर्तव्य में लगता है कि मैंने चूज किया कर्तव्य करना. Sacrifice में लगता है करवाया गया है, sacrifice करना पड़ा, मुझे ये छोड़ना पड़ा. So the difference between the two words is only the feeling, but it is the same.
थोड़े में बात ये है कि
जी सर.
कंप्यूटर में जो प्रोग्राम देते हो वही तुमको मिलता है.
बिल्कुल.
ऐसा तुम्हारे यहाँ पे प्रोग्राम मत दो.
बिल्कुल. कंप्यूटर में जैसे प्रोग्राम होता है, your mobile is very loud now. कंप्यूटर में जैसे प्रोग्राम होता है वैसे ही ब्रेन का प्रोग्राम होता है. बिल्कुल सही. और हमारे माइंड में ऑलरेडी प्रोग्राम हो चुका है, तो उसको रीप्रोग्राम करने के लिए मैं कह रहा हूँ ये 3 चीजों को एक्टिवेट करो. सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम. मतलब अगर कुछ थॉट आए, तो बोलो ये थॉट आ रहा है, ये सत्यम हो गया, देख रहा है, हाँ मैंने गलत किया, मैंने गलत सोचा. शिवम मैं क्या करूँ, इसको बदलूंगा. मतलब आप पावर ले रहे हो. सुंदरम अच्छा बोलो. ओके, तो आपने क्या किया कि उसी क्षण चेंज कर दिया. So even if you're used to saying something negative, used to thinking negative, suppose in these 7 days it comes, it will come. You change it. If in 5 seconds you can change it, आपने activate कर दिया, नो प्रॉब्लम, कंटिन्यू 7 days. अगर 5 seconds में नहीं कर पाया, भूल गए, 10 मिनट हो गया, you have to start your 7 days from there. I want 7 days uninterrupted. I am a leader. क्या leader? First lead your mind. Start with this. अपने thought को हम control नहीं कर पाएंगे तो क्या करेंगे? अच्छा, who am I? मैं कौन हूँ? आप कौन हो? क्या आप wanting हो, feeling हो, thinking हो, saying हो, doing हो? आप क्या हो?
कुछ नहीं.
कुछ नहीं. आप क्या हो इसमें से? Which is the one which is closest to you? Western philosophy में कहते हैं Descartes, I think therefore I am. I think therefore I am means because मैं सोचता हूँ इसलिए मैं हूँ.
अपने इसमें भी
I am, but I am that. Going to show that is what I'm asking.
My thinking,
I am है, but ये I है कौन?
my thinking, I myself and my thinking.
Okay, lovely, beautiful.
A person is what he thinks.
Person is what he thinks. Okay. Now,
प्रोग्राम
I am the programmer. वाह वाह. आत्मा. देखिए, very fast. इंडियन साइकोलॉजी में, योगिक साइकोलॉजी में, वेस्टर्न साइकोलॉजी में कॉन्शियस माइंड, सबकॉन्शियस माइंड, ईस्टर्न साइकोलॉजी में 16 टाइप्स ऑफ माइंड. टाइम नहीं है, 4 टाइप्स उसको कैटेगराइज करते हैं. 4 टाइप्स. 4 टाइप्स में एक है मनस. मनस मतलब मेमोरी. दूसरा है अहंकार. अहंकार मतलब ईगो नहीं, अहंकार मतलब आइडेंटिटी. मैं क्या सोचता हूं कि मैं हूं. मैं एक सिंगर हूं, मैं एक पोएट हूं, मैं एक माँ हूं, मैं एक बाप हूं, मैं एक पति हूं, मैं एक जो भी हूं. दिस इज योर व्हाट यू थिंक यू आर इज योर आइडेंटिटी. ओके. बुद्धि, थर्ड वन. बुद्धि's role is to protect the ahankar. Buddhi's role is to protect the identity. If you think you are a very responsible person, और किसी ने आके कहा कि you are irresponsible, झगड़ा करोगे आप. Okay? मेरे बारे में ऐसे क्यों सोच रहे? Because the buddhi is protecting. Buddhi is intellect. All of Western psychology is about buddhi. उनको पता भी नहीं कि और कुछ है. Okay? And the चौथा is चित्त.
मन.
चित्त is a consciousness जिसमें ये सब खेल हो रहा है. ये सब माया हो रहा है.
अपना मन.
अपना मन. तो all I am saying is that आप ये नहीं हो. आप वो चालक हो, चैरिटेबल. ये सब आपके घोड़े हैं. Wanting, feeling, thinking, saying, doing. मतलब you can change what you want, you can change what you think, you can change what you feel, you can change what you say. आप इसको कंट्रोल में ला सकते हो.
आप ड्राइवर हो.
आप ड्राइवर हो, आप चालक, वाहन चालक हो. आप कृष्ण हो और आप पार्थसारथी और आपकी बांसुरी हो. So I will end with that. हाँ क्या? बोलिए. अरे बोलो.
No, Aman wants to release a book
Uh-huh.
written by her. It's about Krishna.
अरे lovely,
And
so nice,
Vasudeva.
so
And
nice,
so happened that you are talking
so
about.
beautiful, so beautiful. Huh?
You really, really
So nice.
need to
बच्चों के ऊपर है, सिर्फ टाइटल है आओ तुम्हें कृष्ण बना दूं.
आओ तो मैं कृष्ण बना दूं. क्या बात है. So if you look at these 3 things, क्या मैंने कहा? सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम. सत्यम के लिए आप ये कह सकते हो कि सत्य के मार्ग पे चलो. और इसका मेन टेकअवे ये होगा, क्या है वो? कर्मण्येवाधिकार रस्ते मां फलेषु कदाचन. मतलब कि कर्म करते जाओ, देखते जाओ कि क्या हो रहा है, लेकिन वो जो फल है उससे डिटैच्ड रहो. डिटैच्ड रहो मतलब देखो, एक्सेप्ट करो, लेकिन इतना अंदर मत घुसो कि पेन हो जाए. So this is the satyam part. The shivam part is aham brahmasmi.
हम ब्रह्मा.
aham brahmasmi मतलब ठीक है, जो भी है उसको मैं कंट्रोल करूंगा. जितना कर सकता हूं मैं करूंगा, छोड़ूंगा नहीं. मतलब the first one does not mean, साक्षी भाव does not mean कि गेम ही मत खेलो. आप खेलो, आप एंजॉय करो, आप पोजीशन लो, आप कमाओ अगर कमाना है तो, या तो जो भी कर, प्ले द गेम ऑफ लाइफ. So be out of it, get me in it. Which is like Krishna. Krishna created the Mahabharata. And Krishna played his role there. You have to be out and in. And the third one is whatever you do it with love. Do it with positivity. Vasudeva Kutumbakam. You are me. Okay? So if I take care of me, I take care of you. Like I take care of my family, I take care of ECF family. Anybody has a problem, we'll be there. Huh? So these are the three things I wanted to share with you. I want to end now. What is the time? Okay?
5:30, 5:20.
Perfect time. Huh? Okay. So I will end with shlok and with the story. Do you have any questions? Anything you want to say?
Yeah, Vishwabandhutva, you said that, but still there is a Mahabharata
Of course, yes. Sir.
among all brothers.
जी, बिल्कुल.
So one thing is that, so every time बंधु मान के लगा we have to fight, sometimes we have to fight.
इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि सत्यम पहले आपको देखो कि किसके साथ ये जो फिलोसफी झाड़ते ना लोग कि सबको बंधु मानो, बकवास, ये सबसे झगड़ा करो. मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि इट इज अभी मैनेजमेंट टर्मिनोलॉजी में उसको कहते हैं सिचुएशनल लीडरशिप. माँ के साथ बात हो रही थी उस दिन कि आप ये नहीं कह सकते हो कि मैं ये मानता हूँ, ये मेरा बिलीफ है कि मैं सबके साथ मैं अच्छा हूँ, या मैं बुद्धा बन गया और मैं हमेशा पीसफुल हूँ. ये आप अहंकार जो ईगो है या जो आइडेंटिटी है, या बना रहे हो खुद के लिए, खुद को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए. The true thing is you be yourself, be alive. When you feel the anger, you feel it. Then you know what to do with it. You know किसके साथ क्या करना है. अगर चोर आया आपके घर में, आप बोलोगे आ जाओ बैठ जाओ खाना खा लो, it's stupidity. तो कहाँ पे क्या करना है, that has you have to do what is needed. Don't stick to one particular identity and try to be that. कुछ लोग होते हैं ना जो जिनको कभी भी पोजीशन नहीं मिला लाइफ में, सडनली उनको जाके कोई कमिटी में उनको एक टाइटल मिल गया. एग्जाम्पल दे रहा हूँ. ओके, दे टेक इट टू सीरियसली. डोंट टेक इट दैट सीरियसली. रिलैक्स, इट्स अ गेम. इट्स सब अ गेम, सब माया है, सब लीला है. ओके, और एक क्या कहते हैं, कन्वर्टेड मुस्लिम गोज डज नमाज 10 times. क्यों? क्योंकि अभी हाल ही में कन्वर्ट हुआ.
नया मुल्ला बना है.
नया बना, सही बात. हाँ बिल्कुल. तो जो नया बनते हैं ना, उसको ज्यादा सीरियसली लेते हैं. रिलैक्स. ये नहीं कह रहा कि अरे अविनाश ने कहा था कि यू शुड गिव लव, ओपनली लव टू एवरीबॉडी. ये क्या है, किसको मारना है मारो, लेकिन मारने के बाद आगे बढ़ो. डोंट गिव योरसेल्फ तकलीफ. I'm not saying don't do what you want, do whatever you want, but just keep this in mind. Is your objectivity open? Are you in control or is your anger in control? जानबूझ के अगर करना है आप करो, सोच समझ के. So there's this man, I shared this with you sometime, but it's applicable to what you just now said. वो ऐसे चल रहा है, okay? अपने घर में रात के 3 बजे बहुत परेशान है. उसकी वाइफ इधर सो रही है. 3 बजे वो पूछते क्या हुआ, बोलते कुछ नहीं. Because we don't like to share our problems. Why? Because some of us say मन तो दर्द नहीं होता, और some of us like to keep our problems inside. तो कुछ नहीं. अरे कुछ है? नहीं कुछ नहीं. अरे बताओ. So he says, मुझे अपने दोस्त रमेश को कल 50,000 रुपए देने हैं. मेरे पास 50,000 रुपए इमीडिएटली 50 कम हो गया. 2 लाख रुपए देने हैं. क्या आप लोग के पास 50 होगा? तो 5 लाख रुपए देने हैं मुझे कल. मेरे पास 5 लाख रुपए नहीं है, तो लेकिन मुझे कल देने हैं, लेकिन नहीं है. तो आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू. शी इज वॉकिंग. दिस इज गिव मी रमेश's नंबर. रात के 3 बजे रमेश को फोन करते बोलते रमेश मेरे पति तुम्हें 5 लाख रुपए कल नहीं दे सकते, बाय गुड नाइट. कीप्स द फोन डाउन. शी सेज अभी तुम आके सो जाओ, रमेश के मेरे ऊपर नीचे चलेंगे. हर चीज को टेंशन मत बनाओ यार, रिलैक्स. अगर आपने गलती भी कर दी, चलो कोई भी गलती कर दी ना, आगे का सोचो क्या करना है, कैसे हैंडल करना है. Pull things on for too long. And the shlok to end the program. Anything else anybody wants to say? Okay. One last shlok to end the program. Amantram aksharo nasti, nasti guna manaushadam. Ayogya purusho nasti, yojaka satra durlabam. Amantram aksharo nasti का मतलब है there isn't a single letter of the alphabet from which a mantra cannot be made. Mantra is like only him. ऐसा कोई अक्षर नहीं है जिससे मंत्र नहीं बनाया जा सके. आमंत्र मंत्र नास्ति मूलम औषधम. There isn't a single root of a tree or a plant from which an औषध or a medicinal herb cannot be made according to Ayurveda. कोई भी जड़ी बूटी लाओ उसमें से औषध बनाया जा सकता है. अयोग्य पुरुषो नास्ति. There isn't a single individual who does not have the potential of greatness. Each one of you sitting here, each one of us has the potential of tremendous greatness. Regardless of age, background or anything, each of us are potentially divine. Just every drop of water has the same qualities as the entire ocean. Every one of us has the same qualities as the divine. Okay? तो अयोग्य पुरुषो नास्ति योजकास्तत्र दुर्लभम. जो दुर्लभ है, जो नायाब है, जो रेयर है, what is difficult to find is the person who is able to get the mantra out of the akshar. The person who is able to make the aushad out of the plant ka roots. The person who is able to bring out the greatness in people. Those people are rare. And if we find even one, there's a saying, if we find 5 good teachers in our life, our life is blessed. Anytime if you hear even 5 people who can teach you something which is positive, I am suggesting to you, I mean you have one today, but I am suggesting to you that you be that. I'm sure you are already that, but consciously take this up. Let us make happiness go viral. Not only for yourself, इसमें से कुछ भी जो अच्छा लगा ना, फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक चीज अगर अच्छा लगा आज में से कि डोंट क्रिटिसाइज, एक ही चीज मिला आज से, नो प्रॉब्लम, टीच दिस टू समबडी एल्स. बिकॉज अ लीडर इज वन हू लर्न्स, अप्लाइज एंड ट्रांसमिट्स. आप तक रहने मत दो, खुद तक सीमित मत रखिए, इसको स्प्रेड कीजिए. स्प्रेड स्माइल्स, मेक हैप्पीनेस गो वायरल. Thank you very, very much. Thank you.